Hi everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will tell you how I have improved my English, how I have learned this language or what method I have followed. So I hope this video is going to be quite interesting and may inspire you to learn this language. So if I want to tell you my journey from the very beginning, so I will tell you the thought of importance of learning English language has came in my mind 3 months before giving my 12th board exam, because I have done my schooling from Bengali medium school, and in my school there was no environment of English, there was no need of learning this language, okay, because all subjects were only in a Bengali language. But when I got done my college admission in English medium college, I started facing problem. I was having problem while studying, while acquiring the things which my teacher used to provide me. So these things were creating a huge problem for me. Then I took a pledge to learn this language, to improve this language, to improve English language. But because of my board exam, I did not have that much time to improve my English completely. But I preferred to start my journey from a very basic thing, and I learned grammar. So one of my special friend, her name is Anuradha, so she taught me about grammar. It would be completely unfair if I do not tell her name, if I do not tell her contribution. Okay, so she gave her time, she taught me about grammar, and for the first time I got 75 marks out of 100 in English subject. This was really a sense of achievement for me, because in my school I used to get low marks in this subject. So this was really a sense of achievement for me, and this little achievement pushed me positively, and it helped me to go further and learn this language in a more better way. Whenever you achieve something by your pure hard work, by your own effort, this should makes you feel happy, this should makes you feel proud. So having done my 12th, I started collecting reading material, I started reading books, and even I started writing. In the initial stage of my learning, I was focusing more on creating environment in my mind, so that my mind will become able to speak while speaking, my mind will become able to think. Okay, so I will suggest you, do create environment, do create environment in your mind first, because most of us do not have environment. We all speaks in our mother tongue only, right? But I was little far from speaking. So again I started practice. I was trying to speak to myself bit by bit, because in the initial stage of my learning, I didn't have this courage to have conversation with someone else. Okay, I used to think what will happen if people will make fun of my language, if people will laugh at myself, right? But gradually I started practicing with my friend who taught me grammar. So she has been a great co-partner for me. We used to speak a lot, we used to speak every day. Seriously, there were a disciplined, right? So we used to speak every day at least for 30 minutes, though we did not understand what we are speaking, what we are talking about, but we never stop ourselves from being practiced. And gradually I getting to know about some applications, some online application where you can find co-partner for yourself, where you can practice with other people who are from different provinces, who are from different countries, right? So in one online application, I met a friend from Delhi, and then I found that she has this interest to speak and go along with this language. So finally we exchanged our number and we started practicing with together, and still we do practice with each other. We really became a good friends, and it's been 2 years of me. I'm learning this language, still I'm learning. So this was all about my journey of learning English language. I have mentioned almost everything as possible as I could. I hope this video is going to be listenable for you. My story may seem very easy to you, but believe me, this was not. There were many ups and downs, there were many things which I had to overcome. right? So I hope this video is going to give you something that you can take which can help you to learn this language, right? So please let me know if you would love this video. Please let me know if you would like this video, or I would love to listen from you. I would love to listen your thought, your experience, right? Take care. Bye bye for now.